Welcome to Functional Nutritionist Academy. I'm Dr. Teresa Rispoli, naturopath, doctor of clinical nutrition, acupuncturist, and functional nutritionist, and your host for the lesson, Adrenal Fatigue Syndrome Solutions. In Lesson 5, you'll learn the 4 adrenal stress factors, the 4 stages of adrenal fatigue, the symptoms associated with each stage of adrenal fatigue, and how the adrenals affect multiple body systems, as well as which hormones are controlled by the adrenals. And you learned about functional specialty diagnostic laboratory testing for adrenal fatigue. Now, there's a lot of information about adrenal fatigue syndrome, so I had to break it into 2 lessons. You'll want to take both lessons in order to gain the knowledge to heal adrenal fatigue syndrome. In Lesson 6, you will learn the nutritional impact of adrenal fatigue. In other words, how important it is to support your body with the necessary nutrients needed to repair and recover. You see, stress takes a lot out of us. Anyone can experience adrenal fatigue. People from every walk of life, every culture, and every age can suffer from adrenal fatigue. A student, a teacher, the mother, the factory worker, the environmentalist, the politician, the farmer, the Hollywood director, the medical doctor, all have the factors in their lives that can lead to adrenal dysfunction, even though they lead very different lifestyles. But the cost is untold in loss of productive hours, creative ideas, sound business decisions, and other intangibles such as happiness, not to mention good health and long life. So repeated stress, no matter what the cause, makes a person more prone to adrenal fatigue. The effects of stress are cumulative, even when the individual stressors are quite different. Each of these separate events, emotional and physical, is an insult to your body to which your adrenal glands have to respond and require vast amounts of nutrients to sustain the demands by your body. You will learn which essential nutrients are required for each stage to heal properly. You're going to learn about the top 7 adaptogenic herbs that lower cortisol. You'll learn how to analyze the metabolic assessment form patient intake for hyper and hypo adrenal fatigue. So the questions that help you determine what stage of adrenal fatigue you're in. Then you'll learn the treatment protocols for each stage of adrenal fatigue. And you'll receive handouts, treatment protocols for each stage of adrenal fatigue syndrome, including primary vitamins, minerals, herbs, diet, lifestyle, and exercise required to heal each stage. In addition, you'll learn about genetic polymorphisms that affect the adrenals to prevent gene expression of inherited diseases. You will know other key laboratory tests that must be done for fatigue so you can rule out and determine the root cause. In addition, you'll be given my adrenal fatigue questionnaire to help you determine which stage of adrenal fatigue you're in. You will learn important key concepts and tips for recovering from adrenal fatigue syndrome so you can have a happy, healthy, vibrant life that you'll then be able to enjoy because you have the energy to value it.